Hello and welcome to the video. This video is about these things here. These are the 5.8 gig racing antennas from Cherry. Now I've got a few of these in and I've been playing with them over the past week or two. Let me take one of the new ones out of the package and show you how this comes. Now I'm interested in these smaller lightweight antennas, particularly for those builds that are less than 250 grams. So check out my playlist for the sub 250 gram quadcopters, but a lot of the time circular polarized antennas can be quite heavy. Now taking the bits out of the actual package, you can see here all the different specs, and it's available in different lengths, different connectors, and also different mounting pieces too. Now the ones I have here are the 7.5 gram ones. We'll weigh them in a minute just to check that that's the actual case. Right hand circular polarization, SMA connectors, and looking at the radiation pattern in the documentation, the radiation pattern looks pretty standard. That kind of inflated donut shape, gain of about 1.2, and nicely in some of the documentation there is the VSWR test. This is something that I would love to see in more documentation because it just shows that they are testing it. Now this isn't for this particular antenna, and if you want to know why VSWR is important, then go and have a look at the Antenna Lab series. I'm hoping to do some more videos on the Antenna Lab, and this is one of the antennas that I'd like to get on the rig to test. So quick check of the weight, and surprise it is just under 8 grams. In the testing here that I'm flying, I don't fly to the edge of line of sight, I don't really push it. The antennas have performed very well. So if you're looking for a lightweight antenna that has lots of different options, then this seems to be a reasonable choice. So have any of you watching had a go with these? What do you think? I'd be interested in your feedback as well. But the last thing to mention in the video is that because I have more than one set of these, I think we need to do a little giveaway. So I'm going to give away one of these sets to somebody else to have a go with, and they can let me know how they get on. So to win, all you have to do is like the video, make sure you're a subscriber, and comment, and I will do the draw for one of these in a couple of weeks. I'll put a link in the description for those of you that can't wait or want to have a go with these. They aren't particularly expensive antennas, and they do seem to be put together pretty well. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organize all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching, and happy flying.